Welcome to our channel. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe this channel, and if you are already subscribed, please make sure that you click the bell icon and also like, share and comment in my video. So now we are going to start. So firstly our topic is expression and arithmetic. So we are going to start. So firstly we took two values, the value 1 and value 2, including even parameter, and we put two value and we using some parameter. Some parameter is like where we can use like a lot of numbers like this, and if you want to add this number, then all number in one time, then you can simply type some parameter and the number, and they will automatically run this program. But I don't know, this file is corrupted, so that's why I open this file, python shell for work. So like this number is equal to 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 7 8, and the sum of this number is equal to sum of this number is give you output total. That if you will calculate this number, they will give you output this. So we use this two value to add this, and then we print this value. So if we will write like this 23, the output they will give you 46. So this is the value. So we are going to move out from this is adding function, this is subtracting function, this is multiplying function, this is divisible function, this is floor x divided by x function. If x and y are numbers, if x and y will be a string, you cannot divide by this, so this will be an error. And this number, like if you wanna to reminder of x divided by y, if, and also this is a power number, like power, like we will go get through and down, but I show you. If I am here now, so 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. So this is the thing. So now we getting from, now we took three variable x, y, z, and we have values these 3 minus 4 0, and x is equal to minus y is equal to minus y, and z is equal to minus z. So basically we change this variable x in place of minus x, y in place of minus y, and z in place of minus z, and then we print out this. Then they change their variable, because if the digit will be in positive, they will give you negative. If the digit will be in negative, they will give you positive. So and print, if you doing this minus 4, these all are, I know that you all know this is a basic of maths, and the output will be error, because here is like this. I have to do this in print function, because if you will write like this, they will give you always error. So better that you will write this program. See, output is error. Oh yeah, I putting minus 4, this is the error. Print minus 4 minus 5, and thus it print there the print value is 1. So this is power factor that I showed you, and this is divisible factor, and this is remainder function, and this is this function floor divided by this. So now we are going on divisible function. We have one parameter, and we divided by 1/3 by one parameter divisible by 3, and then we went for 0. We write a variable called 0. Then now we put here value 1, then subtracted by 1/3, then again subtracted by 1/3, then again subtracted by 1/3. Then let's see what will be just. The result will output will be this. The 0 will be this, 1/3 will be this, and 1 will be this. You can try this also. These all are basic function, like print minus 3 plus 2, print minus 3 plus 2, like these all are basic. So now we come on commenting function. So commenting, if you are a programmer, you should know very important thing is commenting, because in programming language commenting is a good very valuable thing, because by commenting you can show that what you are doing there in this code. Like in this line what I am doing in this line. So like this, compute, I put the comment here, the compute the average of the value. So I computing the average of the value, and here there is two ways. So you can put commenting in upper, you can put commenting in side. So basically now mostly person, if there is a space, they're putting commenting inside. But now if you don't have a space, you're writing wrong program and it should show in your screen, so you're writing commenting in up section. So this is, and now we came on syntax error. So if we type x is equal to by plus 2, it will show you normal error, but then again we will show by plus 2 is equal to x, it is again here can't syntax error, because by is not defined, that this is not a value, because name by is not defined, this is not things. But yeah, I wanted to show you this thing, because x is not should be a variable should be not in plus digit or not in minus digit. Variable should be always in one function or by column, like r a variable should be like this, and the variable should be like this, not with 4 plus 5 by plus x by plus z. Variable will be never like this. So now we move on. So now I created a program for divided and divisible. I will also show you their program. So we put a two variable called divided and divisible, two variable, and we put a value. So basically I putting a value d and v. I teach you in last class, like eval input and run this. So so run this. If we type two variable like this, so we have to type variable in like this, and then if we will print this variable, print this variable, divide this variable, then the outputs would be 1. Do you see? The output is 1, and the output they will give you always in a float function. Remember, the output they will give you always in a float function if you will two variable in one time. So this is the thing. Now we move on to one simple file called converted temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So we write a program, we implemented here a value that you will, here you can put your Fahrenheit degrees, and basically there is a basic program of converting in Celsius, that 5 divided by 9 multiply into degree of Fahrenheit value minus 32. So we just implemented this here, and then we finally this, the degree of Fahrenheit is 232 be implemented, and degree F is equal to degree C, the conversion. So the Fahrenheit converted into 100 degrees Celsius. And now move on to another. So I will show you, I did not print this, so I will show you this after running this. So I can copy this, paste and run this, and okay, I have to here run by properly. Okay, I can copy by single, then now this, now degree F, enter the Fahrenheit valuable. I can put 212, and then print this all values. Okay, yeah, because it's error, because here I did mistake, here I put one column. So if I will do this, okay, let's move on again, copy this, and this is now it's correct. We cannot put two sign in one, a different sign in one time. So now run this, see this, you see this is now a different type of degree Celsius. So because firstly we put a degree and Fahrenheit is already 00, so they calculated, after that we put it a degree F value is this. So that's why now degree F value is implemented here, and then gray calculation here. So all these things. So now I am also going to write a program. I don't, oh yeah, it's now it's working. So I can write here, yeah, 212. So this